What if I told you, you could start making money online with AI, even if you've got zero tech skills, zero experience, and not a single dollar to invest? Seriously, 2026 isn't the year to sit back and watch. AI is already changing the game, and today, I'm sharing, you can launch right now. No gatekeeping, no fluff. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If making money online with AI is your goal, you're definitely in the right place. I share real strategies here, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Alright, let's jump straight into it. You know all those businesses that desperately need blog posts, captions, or even YouTube scripts? Most of them don't want to write a single word. Here's where you come in. With tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai, you can whip up high-quality content for clients. Seriously, you could be making anywhere from $20 to $100 per article or post. Just head to Fiverr or Upwork, put up your gig, and start pitching. It's a numbers game, but the demand is massive. Not a fan of being on camera, me neither. With AI, you can run YouTube channels without ever showing your face or using your own voice. Use ChatGPT to write your scripts, 11 Labs to generate realistic voiceovers, and Pictory or CapCut to stitch your video together. Pick a hot niche, motivation, personal finance, fun facts, whatever. Once you hit monetization, you'll make money from ads, affiliate deals, and even sponsorships, all while staying completely anonymous. This one's for anyone with some creativity. AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can help you whip up stunning digital art, wallpapers, or even t-shirt designs in minutes. List them on sites like Etsy, Redbubble, or Shutterstock. People are always looking for unique visuals. They'll pay for yours, even if you're just starting out. You don't even need to be a designer. The AI does the heavy lifting. Every local business wants to automate their replies on WhatsApp, Instagram, or their website. You can set up simple chatbots using tools like MiniChat or the ChatGPT API. Package this as a service and charge businesses monthly. Think $50 to $300 per client, every single month. It's easy for you, and a game changer for them. Everyone needs a killer resume, but not everyone knows how to write one. With AI tools, you can craft professional resumes and cover letters for job seekers, especially fresh grads who are desperate to stand out. Charge $10 to $50 a pop, and you can do this all online. So those are literally from your laptop. No fancy skills required. The only thing you need to do is start. Which one are you going to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more ways to earn with AI. Catch you in the next one.